So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in visual effects. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to turn off transparency effects and animation effects. Turn both of these off. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to select adjust for best performance, which will now untick everything. Now you're going to click on custom. And now everything should still be unticked. And now you're going to tick show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. You're going to tick both of these and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on power options. Now you're going to select show additional plans. If you have high performance, you're going to select that. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in game mode settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, make sure you have game mode turned on. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, I'll be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have the NVIDIA graphics card, so I've got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. And now you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in SFC /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. You're going to wait for the scan to be fully completed on 100%. Once it's been fully completed, you then want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go.